KSC Present. When a guy heads to the woods with his metal detector, he unearthed a hoard of hidden treasure. Brad Martin of Green Mountain Metal Detecting has pulled all kinds of forgotten treasures from the earth. But nothing could prepare the Vermont man for what would become the greatest find of his life. Though some treasure hunters prefer the prospects of a sandy beach, Brad's frequent sweeps of his native Vermont have always proved to be more fruitful. Thanks to his rapport with the people of the area, Brad was given free rein over thousands of acres of privately owned land. One day, Brad decided to hike into the mountains of an area known to contain the ruins of an old building. When he arrived, he came upon a large hole in the ground, likely the remains of the building's basement and miles of dilapidated stone walls. Brad was convinced that his next great find was lying somewhere in the patch of woods. He could almost feel it. Little did he know how right he really was. No sooner did Brad begin searching than he stumbled upon his first find of the day, a toneback button. This type of button was very popular in the 1700s, but fell out of favor due to its brittleness. This button's discovery meant that whoever had searched the area before had missed it, and likely many more hidden treasures. Sure enough, Brad's intuition was spot on, and the finds just kept coming. Brad unearthed a coin from the ground that he was actually able to identify. The face of the relatively large coin depicted the bust of King George II. And alongside the image was the word cognac. For Brad, this could only mean one thing. This was a Connecticut copper struck 1785 to 1788, likely worth a few $100, though this find in and of itself was enough to make Brad's expedition a success. As the sun began to set on his day of detecting, Brad decided to slowly make his way back to his track. Detecting as he walked, Brad's device suddenly picked up a reading just a few yards from the road. Brushing off the soil, Brad unearthed a massive silver coin in amazing condition. He was stunned. A find like this easily should have read as a 99 on his metal detector. After carefully cleaning the coin, Brad realized he had unearthed an incredible 1780 Spanish 8 reals. This was the same fabled coin known as a piece of 8 from the pirate legends of old. Spanish silver coins came in 5 varieties. During the time they were minted 1/2, 1, 2, 4, and 8 reals, with 8 being the most valuable and sought after, though considered legal tender in the US up until the 1800s. Finding a coin like this and in such a good shape was 1 in a million. After doing some research, Brad learned that this coin was one of the most counterfeited in the world during its circulation. In fact, Britain heavily counterfeited this coin in order to cripple the Spanish economy during the Anglo-Spanish War 1796 to 1808. Though Brad's life-changing find is likely a fake, the counterfeit coin will fetch a respectable price on the open market. Of course, Brad's not in it for the money, and the thought of his next big find will surely have him back out there, with his metal detector in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.